There was a beggar who was blind, and he used to keep his eyes hidden. And his way of begging was very strange. He used to say to the people, if someone will give me, I will tell him a nice story. And if someone give me a lot, I will show him something very strange. Abu Ishaq Ibrahim rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi says that somebody gave him something, and I stood next to this person, and he showed his eyes, and I was very amazed to see his eyes, that there were only 2 holes in his eyes, and you could see from one side to the other side in his eyes. And now he started telling the story, and he said that I was a well-known famous thief in the town who used to steal coffins. People were afraid of me, and coincidentally the Qazi of the city, means the judge of that city, fell ill. And when he realized that he would never survive, he is going to die, he gave me 100 dinar, and he said, please take this money in advance and do not come and steal my shroud. I agreed, but coincidentally he became right after that sickness, and after a while he got sick again and he died. And I thought that arrangement was made previously for the previous illness. Now that is over, and there is no new arrangement. So I went and opened his grave, and I saw there were effects of punishment in the grave of the Qazi. And he was sitting in the grave, his hair were scattered around, his eyes were red. And suddenly when I saw this, I felt pain in my ankles, in my knees. And suddenly I realized that somebody poked something very sharp in my eyes. And he said that, O man of Allah, you are trying to become aware on the secrets of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.